Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look at image maps, which allow you to make specific parts of an image clickable on a website. Instead of one large link for a whole image, an image map lets you draw regions like rectangles, circles, or polygons so that each area can point to a different web page or action. To make an image map, we need the coordinates of each clickable region. Doing this is really tough by hand, but thankfully there are some free online tools that make it much easier. With these tools, you can upload an image, click to mark the corners of the area you want, and the tool automatically generates the HTML area code with the right coordinates for you. A few popular tools you can try: imagemap.net, a simple drag and drop interface that exports HTML code. There's HTML map generator, which allows you to set links and shapes directly on an image. Or you can use GIMP or Photoshop plugins if you're using graphics software, and some provide built-in coordinate tools as well. Once you generate the map, you just paste the HTML map and area tags into your web page, and your image becomes interactive. Let's jump into an example real quick. All right, let's open up Visual Studio Code. I've set up a simple project for you with 3 files. We have a index.html, we have our style.css, and we have a map of the Northern Mariana Islands. This is the image that we will be working with. Now, at this point, the index.html just loads the CSS and displays the image. Our goal is to turn this image into an interactive map where part of it links to an external website. To do this, let's head over to image-map.net in your browser. This site helps us generate the coordinates for clickable areas. What we're going to do is select image from my PC. We'll select the map of the Northern Mariana Islands. We'll scroll down and set the shape to polygon. For the link, I've prepared several links here. I'm going to copy this one for Visit Saipan. I'll paste this in. I'll change the title to Visit Saipan, and I'll set the target to blank. And all we have to do here is just real quickly click out some polygon coordinates of the island. And we can adjust these however we need. And then when we're done, we'll click Add New Area. I'll select the active radio button. We'll change it to rectangle. And I'll select the top left and the bottom right for the polygon for a square or rectangle. For the destination, I'm just going to copy this again and paste it in, and we'll change the link to Tinian. We'll say Visit Tinian, and we'll set the target to blank as well. And the last one we'll add is a circle. Click on Active again, select Circle, copy this in, paste it, and we'll type Rhoda. Visit Rhoda. We'll set the target to blank again. And in order to do this for a circle, you pretty much click the very center of the circle you want to create, and then an outer radius. And you can drag this around to however size you need it. Okay, at this point, we're done. All we got to do is click Show Me the Code. I'm going to copy this code here. Go back to Visual Studio Code. And just beneath the image, I'm going to paste in my new image map. So there's a few things you need to consider right off the bat. There's an attribute called useMap with a value of #imagemap. And you can see its reference here on the map. The only difference from other images is that you must add a useMap attribute. The useMap value starts with a hashtag followed by the name of the image map, and it's used to create a relationship between the image and the map. The name doesn't matter as much as long as the useMap attribute and the name attribute match. Inside the map, we have 3 areas, and if we scroll to the right, we can see the various coordinates and shape. Now, we have a few things we do need to correct. First of all, this image tag is upset because we don't have an alt tag on it. So we're going to copy that, and we'll paste this right here. We'll delete our original image. For the area, it's complaining because there is a security violation that's happening right now. And what we need to do to fix this is we'll type rel equals no opener, and I'm going to copy and paste that for the other 2 area tags. When we use target equals blank, as we are here, this will open into a new tab. And that new tab actually gets a reference back to the page that opened it. Now, in theory, that new page could run malicious JavaScript and change the original page. Adding the rel no opener, it breaks that link, and it prevents the new site from being able to access or manipulate the page the user came from. So every time you use target equals blank, you should add a rel no opener. It's just best practice for security reasons. Let's go ahead and save everything. And right-click, go to Show Preview. So if no Show Preview is available in the menu option, it's very easy to install. Go to the Extensions tab, type in Microsoft Live Preview, and click Install. Once you've installed the live preview, let's jump back to manipulating our image map and using the Show Preview option. And we can see our site here. But what I'm going to do is copy the reference link at the top and open this in a new tab. Paste it in, hit enter. So we have our image, and if we hover over Saipan, we can see the title text appear, Visit Saipan. Over Tinian, it says Visit Tinian, and over Rhoda, it says Visit Rhoda. And likewise, if we click on these, it will open up the pertaining image link to that site. Hey, great job. If you made it this far in the video, you know how to load a project in VS Code, use the image-map.net website to create a clickable polygon area, and you've, of course, copied and pasted the generated code back into your index.html. You've also learned the importance of adding a rel no opener for better security. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more web development tutorials. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below, share what you've learned today, and even a link to your own image map project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.